So what we are going to do today is we are going to finalize our rough draft so that it's ready to take it and put into the computer. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to darken the lines with a Sharpie. Now, if you look at, this is a sample chassis that I cut on the laser, all right? You can tell that this is thicker than a pencil line, okay? So we just want to kind of get that same thickness on our drawing. So we're going to take a black Sharpie, and it is important that it's black. And we are just going to go around our entire drawing. And we're going to darken the whole thing in with a Sharpie. Make sure you get all your lines. All right, I think we got a couple more here. All right, so it's important that we get all of them because these are going to be what we are putting in the computer. All right, so now I have my entire chassis darkened in with a Sharpie, and that's going to give me closer to the thickness that it's actually going to get cut out. All right, now the next thing we need to do is we need to decide where our wheels are going to go. So if you look at our sample truck here, you can see we have to put these wheels onto our chassis. That's one of the things we have to connect to our chassis. All right, now using a red marker, we are going to mark where those are going. So I want to put mine on this car. I designed this part here specifically for the wheels. Now, they do have to go between two dots. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go from the number 10 to the number 10. And I'm going to start, I'm just going to draw a line with pencil. And then I'm going to go from, where do I want to put these? I'm going to put them, I'm going to put it right on this support here. Actually, I'm going to move it back a little. Oh, tough decisions, tough decisions. Yeah, I'm going to move it back just a little bit. So I'm going to go from 51 to 51. Now, I'm not going to draw it the whole way. I'm just going to draw it on my chassis. So I'm on line 51 here. Right like that. Okay, so that is where, that's where our wheels are going to go on the chassis. Right there and right there. Then once you have those drawn, you're going to take a red marker. And we'll give you red markers as well. And you're going to mark where your axles and bushings are going to be on your chassis. All right? So step one, we'll give you a Sharpie. Sharpie lines over all of your lines. And then step two, you need to mark first with a pencil where your axles are going to go. And then draw over those in red. And this is going to be a really easy plan for us to take and transfer into the computer.